Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Well, thank you for tuning in again. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't checked out my channel, do so. There is something there for everyone. If you like magic, balloon modelling or juggling, over 70 videos, give me a like, hit that subscribe button. If you've got mates into those things, tell them about my channel too and get them to subscribe as well. And if you're watching this on Twitter or Facebook, make sure that you follow me. So today you'll need something to juggle with, some tennis balls, juggling balls, socks. If you need to raid the fruit bowl, don't worry, I won't tell anybody to get some apples or oranges to juggle with. Following on from the last video that I posted, which was called 1 up, 2 up, 1 up, 2 up, 2 up, 1 up, 2 up, 1 up. I think I got it right there eventually, so one was doing the throwing 1 and 2 up. And I'm going to show you some variations on that trick. Now at the end of the video, I'm going to show you each variation in slow motion, so make sure that you watch it until the end, because then you can really focus in on different areas of the trick. So the first variation is literally a really simple one, and you're just going to throw the middle ball that's going to go up the middle space, sort of right through the centre of you, and you're going to do alternate throws with your dominant hand. My dominant hand is my right hand, and your non-dominant hand, which happens to be my left hand. So I'm going to start with 2 in my dominant hand, 1 in my non-dominant hand, and this is what the pattern looks like. And your throws, you want to make them about the same height, so they'll be about a foot above your forehead, and that's what it looks like. So you alternate the throw of the centre ball with your right, then your left, then your right, then your left, and so on. So that's the first variation. Now the second variation that I'm going to show you is where you're doing columns with 2 in your left side of your juggling space and then on the right side of juggling space, and you're going to do a very shallow arc with the ball in the centre, a very narrow arc. It looks something like this. The third variation is, instead of just doing a straight up and down throw with your right and your left hands, you're going to do cross throws like that. So I'll just do that again, and you can just do as many cross throws as you like. That's the third variation. The fourth variation is called the yo-yo, and this is where you do 2 in one hand. So I'm going to do my 2 in one hand with my dominant hand, which is my right hand, and I'm going to get the third ball. I'm just going to put it above, just sort of jerking it up and down like I've got one of the balls on a yo-yo. It looks something like this. So that's a really cool pattern. And the last variation that I'm going to show you is where, instead of doing a cross throw, you're going to try and throw the ball so they actually glide above your head, about a foot above your head, and actually bounce off. Now you want to try and get them to glide as much in the centre as possible. This is what it looks like. Now sometimes you're going to miss when you practice this. Now I'm going to do each of these in slow motion. I'll put a little bit of text at the top giving a description of each variation. So by now you should hopefully have a really smooth cascade, a reverse cascade, probably do some tennis, do some columns, and now you can do some variations on columns. Thank you for watching again, and until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.